So today we're at Cornflower Place in the London Borough of Hillingdon. It originally was actually a garage site that was demolished, and then the land was sitting here for a number of years. We then took on the site for our client, London Borough of Hillingdon, to build 6 homes, both M42 and M43 standards.
Where we get the opportunities, we develop developments like these. This is 6 houses for social use and for families. Obviously there are 3 and 4 bedroom units. There's one that's a disabled unit, so they will be filled up very soon, I hope.
At Bugler, we want to provide quality homes for the end user. The units that we've created are affordable rent units, and by providing quality homes we can provide energy efficient homes, which therefore lowers the costs for the end user.
Worcester Bosch work with many councils across the UK. Predominantly we know our core business of gas boilers, but this particular project has been interesting to look at new technologies within our portfolio. So we've been working with Bugler and Hillingdon Council mainly for existing business, for existing homes, but this particular site at Cornflower Place, we've had the chance to look at new build, where we've got involved with the design and what technology or fuel type that was most appropriate for this site. So Hillingdon Council are also part of the Greater London Authority, who drastically want to reduce emissions within the whole of London.
Designed specifically to minimise the amount of heat we're using. That's the main aim. Everything new we build is to these high standards. We've even got electric charging points for cars, vehicles. We've got heat pumps going in, high levels of insulation. These should be minimal running costs, which is what it's all about.
So the 5,800 was specified for this site for a number of reasons. One was because of the low sound levels. It's actually quiet mark approved. 2 was because of the flexibility of the pre-plumbed cylinder and location of the internal components within the heat pump. And 3, the extremely highly efficient results that we would get from the heat pump.
So my name is Niall Chaffin, co-owner of Chaffin's Heating Plumbing Limited. Born and raised in the Borough of Hillingdon. Served my apprenticeship in the borough also. Done multiple regeneration schemes over the past in the borough, so it's nice to see this former garage site turned into nice houses. Yeah, the outdoor unit, easy to install, sleek on the eye, quiet as well, whisper quiet, barely even hear it. Pre-plumbed cylinder, again, is easy to install, saves a lot of time and effort in the installation process. The user interface as well is easy to use, both for the engineer and the end user, so I would definitely recommend. I think it's a brilliant product, to the point I'll probably put in my own house.
As a technical coordinator, my job is to coordinate between consultants and designers and subcontractors on our site. So working with a specialist in the heat pumps was great for me because I could approach Bosch and I got a response really quickly. They were involved in our design teams. They were always willing to have a design team meeting, which for me is great.
We've had a long-standing relationship with Worcester Bosch with regards to their domestic boiler replacement programme. We've been rolling out a number of hybrid installations as part of our development of replacement systems. We've got heat pump installs going on. We've got a long partnership that's been running for a couple of years now, and it's going to continue running for the next few years.
So it's been a real privilege to be involved in this project, right from design to full completion, but not only just specifying the actual technology that will help reduce emissions and improve reliable heat and quality homes with these buildings.